Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have this Toyota Land Cruiser FJ43 from Boulevard series. Just gonna open it. It's yellow. It's right here. Oh, it's sick, huh? So just give it a rip. Crack it open. Take a look. So here is the casting. Don't think I have one of these. Pretty sick, honestly. Put it here. Take a look at it. I like it a lot. Pretty cool little white top. A lot of detail at the front. I like how they painted the little nubs here. The wheels are pretty nice. Overall tooling's not that bad. I like the back tire at least. Pretty sick. Black outlining. They have like a Matchbox one, so it's pretty sick too. So I really like this one. I still think it's pretty sick. Took me a while to find this one, but yeah. Take a look at it. Sort of roll. The rolling on this one, it's pretty solid for what it is. I like it. A bit big on the back, but still not that bad of a car. Yeah, guys. I guess I'll see you later. Just want to talk about this, and I'll see you later. All right.